Over-tightening toilet bolts during install can crack the toilet base or surrounding tile, creating leaks and costly repairs. When installing a toilet, tighten the flange bolts slowly and evenly until the wax ring is compressed and the bowl sits flush and stable on the floor. Use a hand wrench or nut driver and turn each nut a small fraction at a time, alternating sides to keep pressure balanced and prevent rocking. Pay attention to tactile feedback. Stop tightening as soon as the bowl stops moving, and do not add torque to chase a feeling of absolute rigidity. If you hear any creaking or cracking sounds, back off immediately, reseat the toilet, and check that the flange and bolt placement are correct. If the toilet still rocks after modest tightening, use plastic shims under the bowl to level it rather than applying more force to the bolts. Finally, when the nuts are snug and the bowl is stable, trim excess bolt length and cap the bolts to complete the installation without stress on the ceramic. Common mistakes include tightening one side far more than the other, which causes uneven stress and hairline fractures. Avoid this by alternating turns and stopping when movement ceases. Another issue is using power tools or excessive torque, which can split the porcelain. Use hand tools and small incremental turns instead. People also ignore sounds that indicate damage. If you hear a crack or snap during tightening, stop, remove the toilet, inspect for visible damage, and reseat with new bolts, or consider replacing the bowl if the crack is structural. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for projects like toilet replacement and other home repairs. Our site also helps contractors connect with homeowners and offers a discussion community where we and other members share practical advice, troubleshooting tips, and contractor recommendations.